Good morning. I'm Ewa Deelman from the University of Southern California, and I'm the PI on CI Campus. I'm so glad to be able to once again give a talk that not only includes Zoom participants, but also people in the same room. This is really awesome. Back in the fall of last year, when we were planning the workshop, we were deliberating whether we should host a hybrid or a virtual meeting. A virtual meeting seemed like a prudent thing. However, I felt strongly that we needed to start interacting in person again and take the risk that the only people in this room will be from USC. Luckily, this is not the case. And I really appreciate you all traveling here to Southern California. I know not everyone is able to travel at this time, and many of you have prior commitments, and I very much appreciate your remote participation. Having a hybrid event has its challenges, and although our team has organized a number of in-person and virtual workshops, the hybrid format is new to us. It's really like running two workshops at once. So I'd like to thank the team and our major facilities partners for making this workshop happen. I would also like to thank Manish Parashar and Kevin Thompson for coming here and showing NSF support for this workshop and CI Campus. I'm sure we'll have technical difficulties, and I hope that you bear with us as we try to juggle things. Our team is also hybrid today. Most of us are here in this room, but some of us are online, and the in-person people will have to move online for some breakout sessions. So it's going to be interesting. This is the third workshop dedicated to exploring the CI challenges and opportunities faced by major facilities. This year, CI Campus is happy to host this workshop on behalf of NSF. For each workshop, there is a theme. This year's theme, Getting Together, Working Together, reinforces the importance of the community and of collaboration. Each workshop has also a set of topics developed with community input. This year, the topics are making data fair, cloud migration, future of CI for major facilities, and very, very important topic of developing and retaining a CI workforce, and also developing resilience. As you know, NSF uses recommendations from workshops like this one as part of a strategic planning. So the recommendations you make during the discussions are very important. CI Campus and its pilot effort, CI/COE pilot, came out of recommendations from the 2017 workshop, which recommended to establish a center of excellence as a resource providing expertise in CI technologies and effective practices related to large-scale facilities as they conceptualize, start up, and operate. So thank you for making this effort possible. I am sure you are all familiar with NSF Major Facilities that enable basic research in a variety of science and engineering areas, from ocean science to astronomy, ecology, seismology, atmospheric research, hazard engineering, and many others. These facilities deliver data, modeling, computation, and physical capabilities to a broad scientific and engineering community, researchers, students, educators, and the public. I'd like to warmly welcome the major facilities and mid-scale facilities personnel to this meeting. I'm also very pleased to welcome the NSF program directors, many of whom fund the facilities and projects attending today. Welcome. This NSF graphic shows the diversity of major facilities. The different types of data captured, scientific instruments used, data processing, and analysis conducted. However, they have something in common. These major facilities rely on complex and ever-changing cyber infrastructure to transform raw data into more interoperable and integration-ready data products that can be visualized, disseminated, and transformed into insights and knowledge. CI Campus is committed to help NSF and its major facilities address the CI challenges that they face today and in the future. CI Campus is here to build a community around the major facilities and the NSF CI ecosystem to help to connect each other and to leverage each other's knowledge, experience, solutions, and best practices. As a result, we have invited a number of colleagues that are part of NSF CI ecosystem, and many will be giving lightning talks today and tomorrow. Welcome. I'd also like to welcome the CI Campus students to this workshop, and I hope that you enjoy the content and are excited about what cyber infrastructure can do for science and engineering. NSF established CI Campus to maximize the impact of CI on the successful performance of the major facilities that are critical to supporting innovation across the nation. Our mission is to provide expertise and active support to cyber infrastructure practitioners at NSF Major Facilities in order to accelerate the data lifecycle and to ensure the integrity and effectiveness of the cyber infrastructure upon which research and discovery depend. As we mature as a center, we plan to expand our impact to other projects and communities in need of CI and our expertise. Before I talk more about the workshop, I would like to talk about CI Campus and other activities we are conducting in the hope that they are beneficial to you.